Welcome back to Next Gen Drive, where we explore the cars redefining the future of driving. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most anticipated EVs of 2026, the Afeela One, a groundbreaking collaboration between Sony and Honda that's aiming to merge automotive engineering with next-generation digital technology in a way we've never seen before. This is not just a new model, it's a new concept of what a car can be, blending luxury, performance, and high-tech experiences in a single, striking package. Let's start with the exterior. The Afeela One makes a bold statement from the moment you see it. Its design philosophy is rooted in clean, flowing lines that create a sense of elegance without unnecessary aggression. The front fascia is minimalistic yet instantly recognizable, with a full-width LED light bar that integrates seamlessly into the smooth nose of the car. The lighting is not just functional but also communicative, able to display messages and animations, a feature Sony calls the media bar. This can be used to greet the driver, signal pedestrians, or even show customizable visuals. The side profile is a showcase of aerodynamic efficiency. The roofline flows smoothly into the rear, creating a coupe-like silhouette despite this being a four-door liftback. The door handles are flush with the body for minimal drag, and the glass surfaces are expansive, giving the cabin a light, airy feel from the outside. The wheel designs are intricate, echoing Sony's design language from its consumer electronics, detailed, futuristic, and engineered to cut through the air efficiently. Around the back, the Afeela One keeps the clean, high-tech theme going. Another slim LED light blade runs across the width, giving it a unified visual identity from front to rear. The rear diffuser is functional, helping to smooth airflow, while the subtle spoiler lip adds just the right amount of sporty character. Everything here feels intentional. Every curve, every panel gap, every light pattern has been refined to serve both form and function. Moving on to performance, the Afeela One is built on a dedicated EV platform designed for agility, range, and seamless power delivery. It comes with a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup that delivers around 483 horsepower, allowing for confident acceleration that feels instantaneous yet controlled. The 0 to 60 sprint happens in roughly 4.5 seconds, and thanks to precise throttle tuning, it delivers smooth launches without unnecessary wheel spin. The battery pack is a 91 kilowatt-hour unit, giving an estimated 300 miles of range on a single charge. This is paired with advanced battery management software developed in collaboration with Sony's AI teams, ensuring optimized efficiency based on your driving habits and conditions. Fast charging capability is included, with the ability to go from 20% to 80% in just over 25 minutes on a high-speed charger, making it practical for long journeys. But the Afeela One's performance story goes beyond straight-line speed. Honda's engineering expertise comes into play with a suspension setup that balances comfort and handling. Adaptive dampers constantly adjust to road conditions, while a low center of gravity, thanks to the underfloor battery placement, gives the car exceptional stability. The steering is precise, with variable weighting depending on speed and driving mode, allowing for a light touch during city driving and a heavier, more connected feel during spirited cornering. Noise isolation is another area where the Afeela One excels. Sony's audio and acoustic teams have worked on soundproofing to create a quiet cabin, even at highway speeds, while also tuning the artificial driving sound that EVs require in some markets. It's not just a generic hum, it's a carefully designed audio signature that enhances the driving experience without becoming intrusive. Step inside, and you immediately understand that the Afeela One is as much a digital experience as it is a driving one. The dashboard is dominated by an ultra-wide display that stretches from pillar to pillar, providing the driver and passenger with a shared digital environment. The interface is inspired by Sony's consumer electronics, meaning it's fluid, high-resolution, and intuitive to navigate. Gesture control, voice commands, and even facial recognition are part of the package. The materials in the cabin reflect a premium, tech-forward approach. Soft touch surfaces, sustainable fabrics, and customizable ambient lighting create an environment that feels both futuristic and comfortable. The seats are ergonomically sculpted, with heating, ventilation, and memory settings, while the rear seats offer generous legroom thanks to the car's long wheelbase. In top trims, rear passengers also get their own entertainment screens with PlayStation integration, making this a mobile gaming lounge on wheels. Sony's expertise in sensors and AI is evident everywhere. The car features 45 sensors, including cameras, radar, and lidar, enabling Level 3 semi-autonomous driving in certain conditions. The system can handle acceleration, braking, and steering on compatible highways, and it continuously learns from your driving style to refine its behavior. Safety is enhanced by predictive monitoring, capable of recognizing hazards before they become immediate threats. Entertainment is where the Afeela One truly sets itself apart. The audio system is a Sony 3D spatial sound setup that creates an immersive listening experience. Whether you're streaming music, watching a movie while parked, or gaming in the rear seats, the sound quality is world-class. The infotainment system supports over-the-air updates, meaning the car can gain new features and improvements long after you've bought it. Every element of the Afeela One feels like the result of merging two worlds: Honda's proven automotive engineering and Sony's mastery of digital technology. The result is a vehicle that's not just about getting from point A to point B, but about transforming the journey itself into an experience that's immersive, intelligent, and enjoyable. In a market crowded with electric cars, the Afeela One stands out because it doesn't simply follow the formula of building a fast, efficient EV. It aims to redefine the relationship between driver, passenger, and machine. With its sleek design, powerful performance, tech-rich interior, and entertainment capabilities, it's not just a car for 2026, it's a preview of the decade ahead. The Afeela One is proof that when automotive engineering meets cutting-edge consumer technology, the result can be something truly special. And in 2026, it may just set the benchmark for what a modern electric luxury car should be.